Ever wondered what the Pacific Islands were like before the rest of the world showed up? Forget what you think you know. Oceania was home to some of the most impressive and advanced civilizations on the planet. In Polynesia, powerful kingdoms like Tonga, Samoa, and Hawaii flourished. They developed complex systems of government and incredible farming techniques. But their real superpower, navigation, using just the stars, waves, and winds, they connected islands thousands of miles apart. It's one of the greatest feats of human exploration ever. Then there's Melanesia. Papua New Guinea alone developed over 800 distinct languages, making it the most linguistically diverse place on Earth. And in Micronesia, they built breathtaking stone cities like Nan Madol, known as the Venice of the Pacific. These societies thrived on their own for thousands of years, writing their own incredible stories into the history of the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing history.